cheers, though, were for Kenya's sporting hero, Patrick Njiru, who was competing on his 14th safari and whose Subaru was leading Group N. His rally would be a short one, however. An engine failure spelt retirement for the third top 10 driver in as many sections. Njiru was philosophical about his exit.
We just came in like that, and then all of a sudden, the next thing, the car just goes boom. I mean, we just say Sharia Mungu.
Sharia Mungu, is there a literal English translation of that?
Well, this is all what God has planned for us.
All right, no fooling around. No fooling around. This is for real. All right, no fooling around. This is for real.
If you know the number plate, you know it's from home. That's from Patrick Njiru. Patrick Njiru was a very famous Kenyan rally driver. He used to drive a Subaru. His first entry to the rally was a Subaru from Japan, but this is a Lancia. So I did a combination of his name and the Lancia because those are two legends according to me. I started watching the rally when they had the Audi and the Lancia battles, and Patrick Njiru also in Kenya made me love safari rally. So that's where the whole concept of this car came from. It's a combination of two legends, the Lancia and Patrick Njiru from Kenya. Then we have the car, Team Kenya, KED, that is Patrick Njiru's number plate for the, I think the 1990 competition. Safaricom dominates Kenya when it comes to internet and cell phone. Serena Hotel, Tembea, Kenya. You know, I have to do the branding for Kenya as it goes. We have KCB, Castro Oil, very famous for that. Afrodust RC, very famous for that. Kenya Airways, very famous for the flights. Sometimes good service, sometimes you know how it goes. Team Kenya, as usual. Boza, Safari Rally, Tembea Kenya again, and all that stuff. I thought to also leave a part here. I'll think of what to do in the future, maybe put some LED lights, and then on the side, yeah, boy. On the side I have the slight Kenyan flag idea, and then that was it. The concept of green and yellow fascinated me from the jump, and I think it's something nice, very cool, very unique. It's not in the market. I was able to paint the wheels, give it that, you know, the look, and besides that, that's it. Gotta change the wheel things. These are plastic, so I'm going to change them. I have some wheel covers here, give them a fresh new look, and then we'll be done. Or should I go red? These builds is that the concept just comes and I say, okay, let me paint it green. I understand that you can be able to do the concept that they send it for you, but at the same time, you know, you have to push the boundaries of what type of RC car you want to have. Now, this side is a bit dark, so you gotta push the boundaries of what you want to design and what you want to build. And the process of this was quite interesting to be able to come up with it, because they're two contrasting colors, or you know, two colors that kind of work together also. and the wheel came out quite well. I'll spray paint the wheels for the future cars the same. It was an amazing project, and also for my, I think this will be my race car. I saw there was somewhere where you could be able, you take like a broom or, you know, like a mop stick, a squeegee, and then you put chalk on one side and chalk on the other side, and then you run it and make a track to turn, and guys are doing that a lot. So you on your parking space or on a tarmac or somewhere, you just go, you put that, and then you can go around and do that. So I think I'm gonna experiment with that. Okay, let's go.
Got to give